Credit Karma Credit Repair Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products were added to the description. In this video, I'm giving you a clear, expert breakdown of Credit Karma and whether it's actually effective for improving your credit score. First, it's important to understand that Credit Karma is not a traditional credit repair service that disputes items on your behalf. Instead, it's a free credit monitoring and financial education platform designed to help you understand your credit profile and take action yourself. That means there are no monthly fees for core features, which immediately makes it stand out compared to paid credit repair companies. One of the strongest features of Credit Karma is free access to your credit reports and scores from TransUnion and Equifax, updated regularly. This allows you to track changes, identify negative factors like late payments, high utilization, or collections, and see how your actions impact your score over time. The platform also provides personalized recommendations, such as credit cards or loans you're more likely to qualify for based on your profile. These suggestions can help users build credit by choosing products that align with their current standing, rather than applying blindly and risking hard inquiries. Another key tool is the Credit Simulator, which lets you test scenarios like paying down balances or opening a new account to see how it could affect your score. This is especially useful for beginners who don't fully understand how credit scoring works. Credit Karma also offers alerts for changes to your credit file, helping you catch potential errors or suspicious activity quickly. However, it's important to note that the scores provided are VantageScore models, not FICO scores, which are used by many lenders, so there can be some differences. When it comes to credit repair, Credit Karma provides guidance rather than direct action. It shows you what's hurting your score and explains how to dispute inaccuracies, but you'll need to file disputes yourself with the credit bureaus. This makes it best suited for people who want a DIY approach to improving their credit rather than paying for done-for-you services. It's also ideal for beginners who need clear insights, ongoing monitoring, and practical steps to build or rebuild their credit over time. In summary, Credit Karma is a powerful free tool for credit awareness, monitoring, and self-guided improvement. It's not a full-service credit repair company, but if you're willing to take action yourself, it provides everything you need to understand and improve your credit profile effectively without paying monthly fees.